Namaste, this is Shubhajit. I'm a part of the Barefoot movement. I manage child education initiatives for Barefoot College International, and I've been associated with this really esteemed organization for the last 4 years. I would tell you a little bit about Barefoot College today. A picturesque small village in rural Rajasthan where a positive story of rural development is taking its learnings towards a global community spread across 90 countries right now. For more than 40 years, the Barefoot College has designed new ways to nurture and support a journey to empowerment, one village at a time, one woman at a time. We demystify and decentralize technology and put new tools in the hands of rural poor with a singular objective of spreading self-sufficiency and sustainability. With a geographic focus on the least developed countries, we train women worldwide as solar engineers, innovators, and educators, who then return to their villages to bring light and learning to their community. Picture this journey of a woman who has never stepped out of her doorstep and never found agency within herself, takes a flight of confidence to another country and thereafter commits to herself to devote few months of her life to learn something, equip herself with a skill. End of it, she can install, repair, and maintain solar housing light solutions and thereafter go back to her own community and bring light to it. This is the work in solar renewable energy of Barefoot College, and thereby we have electrified more than 125,000 households across the world. The journey doesn't end by becoming a solar engineer. In the process, the woman finds in herself a whole lot of self-confidence, which thereafter is nurtured by a program which Barefoot College has designed called the Enrich program. This nurtures several aspects of the woman through a journey in empowerment. It focuses on aspirations and agency, her digital skills, her sense of rights and responsibilities, her wellness, concepts of sustainable living, financial literacy, entrepreneurship skills, and microenterprise skills. This is done through participatory workshops tailored to the women's needs, through livelihood skills, assets, and handholding, through community outreach and mobilization, and through mentoring. Enrich is tailored to the aspirations of women and their communities and takes into consideration local needs, opportunities, and challenges. The curriculum is built in collaboration with partner organizations with expertise in developing successful training, solutions, and business models. Enrich curriculum is trained to share. Women transfer their knowledge to the other members of their communities and help their communities improve quality of life. In the Enrich curriculum, we have embraced technology, teaching aids and tools designed for rural non-literate audience using audio, visual, and digital content in local languages and adapted to local realities. Through this journey, the women find the confidence in nurturing small backyard rural enterprises. Barefoot College therefore has evolved the brand Be Barefoot, which nurtures rural enterprises such as honey, coffee, and other local enterprises which support the women with supplementary income for themselves. The women journeys from becoming a solar engineer and thereafter an entrepreneur, and we hope that the agency that she develops will allow her to become a grassroots change maker, leading community development from the forefront. With that in mind, Barefoot College evolves scalable global solutions around education, health, and wellness that the women could be pushing for in their own communities. Barefoot education has been evolving over the last 5 years, its entire understanding of 40 years of rural experience into a global scalable education solution for last mile schooling in communities that are off-grid, offline, and without any pedagogical capacity within the individuals nearby. Barefoot College has also been evolving health, wash, and wellness solutions for such last mile communities. This journey of the woman through skill development in solar technology, digital technology, as well as in entrepreneurship through the Enrich program is encapsulated in the idea of the Women Prosper initiative. And through such initiatives, the Barefoot model addresses 14 out of 17 Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs of the United Nations. The Barefoot model was chosen from among 1,600 submissions as one of the top 20 SDG solutions by the United Nations. This year, the Qatar Foundation has awarded it the WISE Prize for the end-to-end integrated model of women's empowerment. From its inception in 1972, Barefoot College has trained over 3,000 solar engineers and solar Sahelis in over 90 countries, helping 2 million beneficiaries in better quality of life. Today, Barefoot College International believes in spreading all of these understanding, grassroots experience and learnings to a broader global audience by setting up a global community spread across different countries through Barefoot Vocational Training Centers. Together, we have dreamt of creating a different opportunity for rural women, one in which they are free to learn with dignity.